In this video, we're going to use laws of logarithms to simplify something that's complicated like this. So I'm expecting you to know all of these. So to simplify this, whenever you have one thing multiplying another thing, so whenever you have one thing multiplying another thing, you can break it up as one log block, add another log block. So here you've got one thing multiplying another thing. So that would then become this. That would then become one block of log base 2 of 8 plus log base 2 of x to the power 5. So you can break this block up as one block plus another block. And then this thing here, you remember the minus is on the outside of this block. So let's do this. Minus is on the outside. So it would be something like this. And before you do that, whenever you have log of one thing to the power of another thing, whenever you have log of one thing to the power of another thing, you're able to drag this end down. So we can drag the 3 down. So that would then become this. The 3 gets dragged down, and then that would be log same base 2, and then 4 to the power 4x. So so this whole block here is the same as this block here. Okay, so hang on. So that would then become log base this block here, hang on, this block here, you can simplify this block. This block here becomes, well, if you can't remember what this is, then translate it. Your eyes should zoom into this base here. So it would be 2 to the power of what gives me this thing here, gives me 8. Well, it turns out to be 3. The whole block here is referring to this power. So that this whole block here becomes 3. And then here you've got one thing to the power of another thing, so you can drag the 5 down. So that would then become 5 log base 2 of x. So that then becomes this block here, and then the minus is on the outside. So let's leave the minus, and then the minus is on the outside. So hang on. So you've got this 3 here. So that would, and then this thing here. Here you've got one thing multiplying another thing, so you can break that up. So remember that 3 is on the inside here, and then another bracket, and then break this block up. So it would be log base 2 of 4, and then plus log base 2 of x. So so this one block here will break into 2 blocks. This one here and this one here. Okay. So now let's tidy this up. So this will become 3 plus 5 log 2x, and then let's tidy this bit up first. So that would be 3 of this thing and then 3 of that thing. So the minus is on the outside. It would be 3 log base 2 of 4, and then this times this, that would be plus 3 log base 2 of x. Okay, and I've just noticed that you can tidy this up, because 2 to the power of what will give me this thing here, so the whole log block is referring to this index. It turns out to be 2, so this block here is the number 2. So hang on, let me tidy this up. So that would be 3 plus 5 log base 2x minus, alright, I'm going to merge this 3 with this. This is a 2, remember, it's this 2 here. So that would be 6. This whole thing here would be 6 minus 6, and then minus 3 log base 2 of x. And then single number, merge them together. That would then give us negative 3 plus 5 log base 2x minus 3 log base 2 of x. So notice that this thing here is exactly the same as this. It's like me saying, what's 5 elephants take away 3 elephants? Because these two are exactly the same. So 5 elephants take away 3 elephants, that would be 2 elephants. So that would be negative 3, 2 elephants, so that would be plus 2, and then whatever thing that we're talking about here. So it would be log base 2 of x. So this is our final answer. Okay.